Hey guys, this is Aldrincore and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park.
So free photos. So take picture, get your link from the screen, then you copy the link to your web browser, and you download and save your photos. Reminder to all our guests, photos will be deleted after 7 days.
Yeah, actually guys, so we book our ticket here via Klook. So if you wish to avail the day pass, either weekday or weekend, so just use this Klook code for you to get discount.
Yeah.
Discount. Chibugan.
Bukan Club. Fam. Hello, fam.
Alin na guys. So let's enter now the gate and prepare your QR code. Come on, let's go.
Step forward, please.
Thank you. Alright. Hi, big friends. Alam mo naman, natatakot na. First touch, para siya kuan, snake.
Sabi ko sa ito, mas masayigin ang wire.
Hey guys, we're going now to the second floor for the birds. Are you excited for the birds? Are you excited for the birds? Actually guys, in this area, in the second floor, you can feed lorries. And I tried here, I think way back 2019 during the opening of Cebu Ocean Park. So I tried to feed the birds and it was fun experience.
Sa hurot na, wadon ako. Naka girl. Ay, nice. Paano, oh.
Yan, ito sa nest. Pwede ang mga itlog. Gawa ka pila kabok itlog duha. Picture. Hi Nemo. And actually it's really cool here guys. It feels like you're underwater and there's a lot of clownfish. Pinaka-isintay ni Marco yung
Napoli up there in Cebu, silver here in basketball. He up there with Trainer Dix, his arm moves. So Paula siya si and now let's see the Kamatsu night show. How's the white mountains? Weeping, Fergus, and so here in the Philippines, they're normally known as Lawis or Manok. Now we come in here, mga bird. And so that is it. So how about the round of play up there, Sir DJ? We have Trainer next to
nakakagutom guys ang show sa birds. So, have a snack. Breakfast ha. Super love. Love, 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 love.
So many people found.
We're here at Oceanarium, as you can see in my back. So there's a lot of fish and in different forms. And it's a weekend, so there's a lot of people here taking pictures. And para-paraan lang para maka-picture sa mga isda. Guys, there's a lot of fish. Yes. Here and there's a shark and butanding. There's a hat. There you have it guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. Don't forget also to hit the notification bell button. And this is Aldrincore and see you on the next vlog. Bye!